Good day, sir. My name is Rene Boyde Pulido from section G to F-1. I'm going to report recommended construction of watertight bulkheads in ships are per SOLAS regulation. Watertight bulkheads in ship according to SOLAS regulation. Watertight bulkheads are strong vertical walls inside the ship that divide to different compartments. The main purpose to prevent watertight spreading if a part of the ship gets damaged and flooded. This helps to keep it stable and prevent it from sinking. According to SOLAS regulation, ship must be designed with enough watertight bulkheads to ensure safety at sea. SOLAS requires that ships can stay flat and remain stable even if one or more compartments are flooded. Key points: safety. Bulkheads protect passenger and crew by limiting flooding. Subdivision. Ships are divided into sections so damage in one areas that affect the whole ships. Strength and construction. Bulkheads must be strong, properly sealed, and built with durable materials like steel. Watertight doors. Some bulkheads have doors that can be closed tightly and stop water from passing through. Regulation compliance. Ship must follow SOLAS rules to ensure they are safe and seaworthy. Conclusion. Watertight bulkheads are very important in ship conclusion because they help prevent accidents from becoming disasters. By following SOLAS regulations, ships become safer, protecting both lives and cargo during sea travel.